We'll guide you through how to import date timelines from Excel to Monday.com. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice. Once your browser is ready, go to Monday.com by entering the website address into the address bar. Open the board that you want to use. Make sure that your board already contains a timeline column before continuing with the import process, as the imported start and end dates will be mapped to this column during the import. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the board. Select More Actions to display the available board management features. From the list of options, select Import Tasks to begin importing data from an Excel file into your board. Click Browse to open the file selection window on your computer. Choose the Excel file that you want to import into your board. Click Open to upload the selected file. Click Map Columns to match the imported data with your Monday.com board structure. Map the columns according to your needs. For this example, import the task name column as the task column, start as the timeline start column, and end as the timeline end column so each value is assigned to the appropriate field. Once you have finished mapping the columns, click Continue to confirm your selections and proceed to the next stage of the import process. In the Handle Matches section, choose the option that best suits your needs. For this example, select Update Matches to update existing matching tasks instead of creating duplicate entries on your board. Choose the matching column according to your needs. For this example, select Task as the matching column so Monday.com can identify existing tasks during the import. Click Start Import to begin importing the mapped timeline information into your board. You have now successfully imported timeline data from an Excel file into Monday.com.